Hello and welcome to another UltraTech product training session. Today we're talking about Ultra-Containment Berm's Collapsible Wall Model. The Collapsible Wall Model and all the other containment berms fall into a general product category known as flexible spill containment. The flexible refers to the coated fabric or geomembrane liner that is used to contain the leaks and spills. This material is heavy duty enough to withstand trucks, forklifts, frac tanks, and all the abuse seen on site. It has the ability to be folded or rolled for easier shipping, handling, and storage. The Collapsible Wall Model uses a series of PVC sidewall frame assemblies for its structure and support. These frames have feet that swivel 360 degrees. Turning these feet is how the sidewalls are lowered or raised. Swiveling them so that they are parallel to the top frame allows the walls to be lowered so that they can be driven over. Swiveling them perpendicular to the top frame will keep the walls vertical and provide the containment for any containers inside of the berm. Since these walls need to be manually turned whenever the sidewalls are raised or lowered, the Collapsible Wall Model is not considered a true drive-in, drive-out berm. To be clear, you can drive in or out of this berm, it just requires an extra step before doing so. The height of the Collapsible Wall Model is 1 foot, and standard sizes range from 4x6 to 15x66, but we can also do custom sizes. There are a few options available for the Collapsible Wall Model berm, 2 of which offer added protection from the wear and tear that is frequently seen on site. To help prevent holes, punctures, and other damage from underneath the berm, ground tarps are available. This protective PVC layer will typically be 4 feet longer and wider than the berm, but can be ordered in any size desired. For those applications where there will be frequent traffic driving over the berms, an optional set of track belts can be laid on top of the berm. These 30-inch wide, heavy-duty strips of PVC will bear the brunt of the abuse from vehicle tires and prolong the life of the berm. For passive draining of collected water, the Ultra Self Bailer can be added. A patented filter media blend inside of a cartridge will pull residual oil, gas, diesel, and other hydrocarbons from water, allowing only clean water to escape. There's a link to these options in the description below. As you might imagine, ultra-containment berms endure some very harsh conditions. And as rugged as they are not indestructible and may need repair from time to time. There are 2 options for repair kits. The simplest one is a large 11-inch by 36-inch piece of material that can be used to patch up small holes and tears. The only other tool that is needed, which is not included, is a heat gun. There's a link below to a video that demonstrates the process of making a repair. For larger repairs, or for companies that have a number of containment berms, we have a full repair kit. This kit comes with all the items pictured here: a heat gun, a hand roller, replacement handles, 50 various patches, and a toolbox. While we're on the subject of repairs, it's worth noting that the PVC sidewall frames are replaceable. So if any of them get damaged, they can be replaced in the field and the berm won't have to be taken out of service for an extended period of time. Why would you choose the Collapsible Wall Model instead of one of the other models? Most likely, it would be because of price. For those that may be on a tighter budget, the Collapsible Wall Model is one of our most economical options. Why wouldn't you choose the Collapsible Wall Model? Convenience and efficiency. If the berm is used in an application where vehicles or equipment are entering and exiting with any kind of frequency, the time required to lower and raise the sidewalls each time may make it less than a perfect solution. Other products to consider if you're looking at the Collapsible Wall Model and aren't quite convinced. If budget is a main driver in your selection, then the Economy Model is worth a look. It uses L brackets for its sidewall support and is a very cost-effective option. There's a link below should you care to look into it further. Thank you for your attention. Please look for other product training videos on our YouTube channel.